Once a LaserApp Enterprise account has been established, you will receive an email that will include a link of where to download the software as well as your activation code. To install LaserApp Enterprise 11 onto your computer, simply come to our homepage, laserapp.com, Login, Enterprise Downloads. Here you'll be able to enter your 15-digit activation code, click Login, which will bring you to this screen, your LaserApp account info. If you have multiple computers in your office that are sharing a central location for their data and forms, you will need to upgrade all of those machines to version 11. Simply click the second tab, Software Downloads, and on this screen, click the first choice that says Download Link. From here, once the file's been downloaded, the InstallAware wizard will start to run. And simply click Next, review and accept the licensing agreement. Just keep clicking Next through this process. Run LaserApp Enterprise now. Your LaserApp Enterprise will open. Click Software Activation, re-enter your code, and you're ready to use your LaserApp Enterprise.